Quick update on the Skoot 6000. So it's time to change the batteries out. And then I've been meaning to put this on for like probably right around 4 years. This is a 36 volt uninterrupted power supply that I'm going to use as an inverter. So you just hook it up to the 36 volts, and then usually there's an alarm on there that lets you know that it's running off battery power, and you just either disable that or just cut the whole thing off. So then it just applies 120 to a light, a work light, tools, all kinds of stuff. So since I don't use all, it's usually supposed to use a smaller format, 6 volt, and then 6 of them. So that's why it's the Skoot 6000. So, but I made it the Skoot 3000. So, but that's how it goes. And then we put little tail lights on the back so the popo don't get mad. I don't know what it's going to take to make it street legal. I don't really want to make it street legal. I just want them to leave me alone. So I guess there's a blend of that. Anyways, steel's up to 11 cents a pound here locally. So I got to cash in, get some of that money, because it's so much cheaper to fucking just buy from China. I'll tell you what. So now what's really hard is getting what you want from China. That's the hard part. So, but I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks. I love you.